After a hectic series of lockdowns, Karnataka government opened up the tourism sector. So we decided to go and visit Jog Falls. We'll post the next video as the vlog for the trip. We stayed at Sharavathi Nature Camp from JLR Properties, and jet skiing was part of the itinerary. Enjoy the thrill.
Bye.
This is my instructor Kiran. He is great with his skills on controlling the jet ski. Looks like he can fly this machine without the wings.
चलो स्टार्ट कर लो.
Let's rock and roll.
Yeah. Where do I press?
Try that.
Huh?
You will also ride this.
Okay.
That was awesome. Let's watch the action in third person mode.
You want to go? Yeah. Oh, thanks, Kiran.
Thanks for watching the videos. Stay tuned to Sapper Diaries for next vlog and trip to Jog Falls. Till then, please like, subscribe and share. Goodbye.